Hola, my name is Mario. Are you ready for a new adventure? Here we go. This morning was so beautiful, blue sky, super sunny and bright. I was impressed about the different type of animal that I was able to see this time. Starting with this, the macaw. Look how strong she is, just hanging down with one leg and holding the almond with the other one. It was kind of like a scare because there were like two more birds coming. She was not alone. They fight for the almond sometimes. Here's the reason why she went away. You must be wondering what I say is a she. Well, I don't know, I just want to say it's a she. This little guy right here is my friend, the orange colored mannequin, the one who liked to dance left. Look at this beautiful bird. He specialized himself on hunting blue morpho. Exactly, this famous and beautiful butterfly that you love so much. He is a hunter. He make a whistle like. You know what the monkey said? Monkey said, look down on the ground, okay? There was one of those predators that came like out of the blue. Well, out of the green. Out of the brown. Exactly. It was very hard to spot it because it really looks like the surrounding here on the floor. Terciopelo furdelans. This is a viper. This is a small version. It's a very young one. People say it's more dangerous because they don't control the poison they are injecting on you. Compared to the full-size one, they prefer to save the poison better than wasting a big prey that they are not able to eat at all. This is not a picture. You see the parasite moving? I move it away. This is the three-toed sloth. It was moving right on top. See the surprise on it? While I was watching the video, then I realized, like, what is this on the belly? That was the baby. Don't worry, this is full speed. Soon she's gonna be tired. Just enjoy the sounds of the parrot. I'm leaving the forest now to start coming to the outside area, the secondary forest or the fruit orchard. You see a lot of activity. Can you see it on the trail? Little tails goes up. This is my friend Pisote or Coari Mandi. But they were not alone. There was something else. I was so amazed about it. This little guy in Spanish you call them chancho de monte or wild pig, peccary. They're super smart. They are really like smelling. He knows I'm here, but he couldn't see me. But he smells me. This is a Mario number 5, better than Chanel. Just pay attention to the nose. It's like, okay, now he knows that I'm here. Yes, you are here. I don't see you, but I can smell you. Look at this, kind of like romantic. Sorry. This is the Scarlet macaw. This is a couple. And this is not the same couple for the rest of their life. They're changing couples several times in their life. This is the moment when they're kind of like quiet sometimes. In the ritual, they're so loud. 2 adults and 1 juvenile. And remember, the quieter that you are, the more you see in the forest. My name is Mario, and thank you for watching another episode of Through the Eyes of the Nature Guide. Nos vemos!